Hey boys and girls, it's Miss Farah here. And remember our story from this week? The bedtime with Baby Shark? Well, I found a really fun activity that I wanted to share with you. Do you remember in the story when we talked about Baby Shark having a nightlight on? Because he doesn't really like his room being real dark. Well, I'm going to show you a fun activity that you can make and you could use as a nightlight or just to have fun with. So what you need is a toilet paper roll, a rubber band, a piece of clear plastic wrap. It comes probably in a container like this. And then if you have a foam sticker, I have a star, so that's what I'm going to use. And it has a sticky back on it. And then a flashlight. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your toilet paper roll and you're going to cover the top with your plastic wrap. And then you're going to secure it using a rubber band. Just like that. Okay. And then you're going to take your sticker and you're going to put the sticker right on top. Then you want to turn off the light and turn your flashlight on. Okay? And then you take your nightlight here and you're going to put your flashlight right inside there. And it's really cool because you can see your sticker. So mine, if you remember, was a star. So the flashlight is showing a star. It's really cool. Here, you can take a look. See? Look at that. That's pretty cool. There's the star. And you could shine it up on your wall or maybe even your ceiling. Who knows? So, that's a fun way to make shapes in the dark. So it doesn't have to be scary. So, this is a fun activity that you can do, especially on rainy days when it's kind of dark and gloomy. This would be fun to do. Alright guys, well, I hope you enjoyed this activity and I will talk to you soon. Bye.